Accidents happen, and water damage to your laptop can be stressful. Here's what you can do to try and salvage it. First, power off your laptop immediately and unplug it. This can prevent further damage to the internal components. Next, remove any external devices and accessories attached to the laptop. This includes USB drives, chargers, and peripherals. Gently wipe the exterior of the laptop with a dry cloth to remove any visible water. Avoid using heat sources like hair dryers. Do not attempt to turn on the laptop immediately. Let it dry completely for at least 24 to 48 hours before testing it. If the laptop doesn't work after drying, seek professional help. Trying to fix it yourself might cause more harm. Remember, water damage may void your warranty, so be cautious about how you proceed with repairs. In some cases, data recovery services can help retrieve important files from a water-damaged laptop. Consider this option. Ultimately, prevention is key. Keep liquids away from your laptop to avoid potential water damage in the future. Stay calm and follow these steps if your laptop encounters water damage. With luck, you might save your device.